Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test Stripe payments in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to go to your WordPress admin panel and make sure that you have Stripe in your WooCommerce. And basically make sure to go to WooCommerce and then you will need to go to settings, and in the payments you will be needing to have Stripe that is uh, listed in the list of payments method. If you do not have Stripe, that means it is not already set up. So you can either go to extensions or you can go to the plugins of your WordPress. And basically you can just type Stripe and you can add Stripe payments from there. So here, as you can see, we can find the Stripe payments, and you will be needing to have it in your store. Now that you have, after you activating or adding the plugin for your Stripe card processing, you will be needing to enable it. And after that, you will need to go to manage. And now all you need to do is to go to here in the settings, and basically you will need to search for the settings, and here you will need to go and connect it, and after that you will need to add your testing mode. So basically, after connecting your Stripe, you will be able to have a testing mode for your Stripe, and by that, you will be able to start testing your transactions for your payments in using the Stripe extension here in WooCommerce. And basically, as you can see, there is also other type of checkout like these credit cards or the express checkout, etc. And you all you need to do is to enable the test mode in Stripe while connecting it in the settings from here. So when you are connecting, make sure to enable the test mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.